Hello everybody, thank you so much for watching my video. Today I'm going to show you how I make my green tortillas. We need 2 bunches of parsley. We're going to start by cutting the stems off and washing them thoroughly. Place the parsley into a boiling hot water for about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, take it out and drain the excess water. In a food processor, throw in 1 shallot, 3 garlic cloves, parsley, and blend it until it becomes a paste-like consistency. Now we are going to add half a cup of olive oil, half a teaspoon of chili pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix it again. Get a large bowl and pour in the parsley paste. Add about half a cup of all-purpose flour and give it a good stir until well combined. Then we're going to add half a cup of boiling water and give it a good stir. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to keep on adding more flour until the mass becomes a dough-like consistency and is easier to handle by hand. Then we will begin kneading the dough on a cutting board, adding more flour as needed until the dough becomes less and less sticky. At the end, it should be a little bit sticky. This way it will be easier to handle and roll the tortillas. Get a little bit of the dough and make it into a round shape. Always have a little bit of flour handy so that the tortillas don't stick onto the cutting board. We're going to begin rolling the dough into very, very thin tortilla. The thinner the tortilla, the better it will be after cooking. I use parchment paper in between my tortillas. This way it does not stick to each other and is easy to store it in the fridge for later use. On a low to medium heat, place a tortilla on a cooking pan. Cook both sides until ready, probably about a minute or so on each side. There it is. This is what the tortillas will look like. They do not have any food colorings inside, all natural ingredients, and they come out still beautiful and very bright green color. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment below, and I will see you guys next time.